Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations.
Today, we're diving into the world of hair care and exploring the best blonde hair color for warm undertones.
And spoiler alert, it's none other than the Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kit in the shade 8.5 NNA, Lucia Dark Blonde. Now, before we delve into why this hair color kit is a game changer, let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about ingredients.
This hair color kit is not just any ordinary dye. It's the first ever Smart 8 free permanent hair color, meaning it's free of ammonia, parabens, resorcinol, PPD, phthalate, gluten, SLS, and titanium dioxide.
Plus, it's cruelty-free.
But what really sets this hair color apart is its nourishing formula.
Enriched with keratin, argan oil, and ginseng root extract,
it not only delivers stunning color but also leaves your hair feeling healthy, conditioned, and shiny.
Now, let's talk application.
This kit includes everything you need for a seamless coloring experience. From the radiant cream color to the conditioning color activator, gloves, cap, barrier cream, cleansing wipe, and even color-protecting shampoo and conditioner.
It's like having a salon experience in the comfort of your own home.
With rave reviews like that, it's no wonder this hair color kit is flying off the shelves. So, if you're looking to achieve gorgeous, long-lasting blonde hair with warm undertones, look no further than the Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kit. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay beautiful.